Hello teacher and classmates, my name is Jennifer Quiroga. I am 24 years old. I live in Civate, Cundinamarca with my husband and my dog. I study food engineering. I like to eat beef and fish. The Camellia restaurant is located in the 10th Avenue, number 1251 in Civate, Cundinamarca, 1 hour from Bogota. It is breeding ranch for horse. His specialty are a la carte dishes. All kinds of grilled meats, beef, pork, chicken, and fish. All accompanied by excellent liquors and drinks. It has an excellent service. It is a very beautiful place, country,